What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I scaled a single product to $176,000 in revenue in just a couple months. Not only will I show you the exact product, but I will also show you how I found it, how I created the product page, how I ran the ads. At the end of this video, there will be no stone left unturned. And as a gift, I even include the exact funnel and funnel template that I used for this product. Now make sure you keep watching because you do not want to miss anything that I'm telling you in this video. A good dropshipping product that is actually gonna make you a shitload of money should always solve a pain point. The bigger that pain point is, the easier the product will sell. That is just human nature. Now what niche has the strongest pain points and can trigger the strongest survival instincts? Health products. More specifically, health products that solve physical pain. Now it is so easy to find products like this. Let me just show you really quickly. I always go to the spy tool Minia. I select the e-com platform Shopify, and then I just use the keyword feature and I type in the word pain. That is literally how simple it is to find 10,000 a month winning products every time again. And I'll just start scrolling. As you can see, we can immediately see pain solving products. This is some neck pillow. This is a back relief belt. Very similar product to what I'm gonna show you next. This is again another product for back pain. This one too. All of these products solve physical pain, and again, as I said, physical pain is the strongest emotion that people want to get away from. So they will literally throw their money at your store if you can just find a good product that solves physical pain. And it is not hard again to find these products. As you can see, it is so simple. Just go to Minia, search pain, and we already found like 20 products. Now, another important criteria is that it is not too expensive to sell. You will also find a lot of health products that sell for more than $200. I personally find those kinds of products way too expensive, and it's very hard to sell them and scale them without spending tons of money on creatives and ads. But guys, it's time to show you my exact product and product page. I'll break down every element of this funnel so you guys will understand. Now, if you're wondering, like, this does not look like Shopify, where is this revenue even coming from? I've been selling on Funnelish for many years now, and this is literally the most innovative way of doing dropshipping. And Funnelish is not something new or hard to learn. I literally included the template of the funnel that I'm going to show you right now in the description below, so you can click the link and it's gonna import straight into your Funnelish account for free. You don't even need to set up a paid plan. So make sure to check that link so you can get started with this innovative funnel strategy too. Because dropshipping on Shopify is not the way to do it in 2024. So the product that I've been able to scale to this 176K in revenue in just a couple months is the decompression belt. I found this product on Minia, I saw a competitor getting some traction with it, and I decided to create a really nice funnel page for it, which is the one you're seeing right here. Again, this entire funnel you can just find below, but let's break everything down. So the first thing I really love about Funnelish is that you can create a completely customized funnel page for your product. So no matter what domain name you have, no matter what the URL of your store is, you can make a full one-page store for every single product that you sell. So we always come up with a custom brand name for every single product that we sell. That way we come across as the authority and the main seller of this product, completely crushing any competitors. Then the title of your product is always super important as well. The first part of your title should always be the brand name that you make up, and then what the product actually is. So in this case, the decompression belt. And then I like to add a second line in the title, which is going to describe the main benefit that the customer will gain if they buy this product. So in this case, it is relieves back pain in 10 minutes. The main picture of your product page is also extremely important. You cannot just have this picture as the main picture, for example. This is what a lot of dropshippers do, and a lot of people who copy paste from each other without even thinking what the fuck they're doing would use this as a main picture. That will crush your conversion rate. You have to make sure you always show the product benefit as well in this main picture. In this case, you can see an older woman with her back and the spine is red. Obviously, it's referring to pain. So it's visually very, very clear from the start what the product is gonna do to the customer as soon as they land on your product page. And then of course, you also want to add in the product picture as well. And we even added the main benefit again. The main principle here is that people are visual animals. So the first thing a customer will do when they land on your product page is look at the image before they start reading anything else. So if you can show the main benefit of the product in the main image, you're already 10 steps ahead of the competition, because customers land on your page, and don't even have to think of what the product is all about. Then we have these 4 main benefits. We always have this in every single funnel that we have. These benefits should be very, very straightforward and simple. These are just the emotional benefits that your customers will experience. For example, we have eliminate back pain in 10 minutes. That's the bold claim. Increase mobility and energy. Saving money is a very, very powerful emotion you can play with as well. And then we always end our health products with a benefit, no results, money back. That makes it an absolute no-brainer to buy this product. And then right under the add to cart button, we have added this chiropractor thing. So it is developed by chiropractor Jay Griffiths with 25 years of experience and a doctorate in physiotherapy. And then if we look at the other add to cart buttons on the funnel page, we always put 100% pain-free or money back. The reason you want to always put something very, very trustworthy right under the add to cart button, because the add to cart button is where the customer decides to either buy it or not. So if you can increase the trust right under the add to cart button with either a super strong money back guarantee or, for example, a chiropractor testimonial, again, this will make the product a no-brainer to buy. And then all of these headlines and paragraphs are just generated with ChatGPT. If you want the exact prompts that I use in ChatGPT to come up with these headlines, you can send me a message on Instagram at SamuelEcom. Just send me the word ChatGPT and I'll send them right over. But the most important thing here is that your headlines are just super straightforward and really either increase the trust or talk about the emotional benefits that your customer will experience. Then we always have this testimonial section in our funnels. We really try to think of the most relevant testimonials we can write for the customer that would buy this product. So the more informal and specific these testimonials are, the better they will work. Then we always have an FAQ section as well. Just try to think of the most commonly asked questions that a customer might have when trying to buy this product. You can very easily generate this with ChatGPT as well. And that is it for the entire funnel sales page. So again, this is probably something you've never seen before. Imagine someone trying to sell this product on Shopify and then me as their competitor. Who do you think is gonna make the most money? The shitty Shopify product page or this funnel? Obviously this funnel. Now let me show you one more massive reason why this funnel works so well, and that is the checkout page. So if you click on the add to cart button, we go to the checkout page and let's dissect all of this again. So here we have congrats, your 50% Facebook discount has been applied. Now the reason this works so well is because I dropship on Facebook ads. So all the customers come from Facebook and then they see that they have a unique Facebook discount. That makes your customer feel special and unique, and they will have FOMO and buy the shit out of your product. Then another massive benefit of these funnels is right here. As you can see, we have 3 bundle deals. So on Shopify, you have like a quantity selector where people can choose to either buy 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or whatever number they choose. But right here, we give them the option to either buy just 1, 2, or 3 pieces. And by default, the 2-piece bundle is selected. Now this bundle, it costs $94, but our cost of goods are only about $30 for this particular bundle. That means we have a profit margin of around $64 for this bundle deal. And again, it is pre-selected by default, so most people will choose this bundle. Again, imagine someone selling this on Shopify who has an average order value of $60, competing with me who has an average order value of $100 or more. Who is gonna win? It's simple. Then if we scroll down, I added this thing to increase the average order value even more, which is the express priority shipping upsell. This is also pre-selected by default, and this will add $4 of pure profit to your orders. And then obviously we like to also add some testimonials in the checkout and end it with the guarantee again. Again, the entire funnel template for this funnel is in the description below for free. You can literally import it to your Funnelish account and start selling this today. Now, obviously, you also want to make sure you're selling it the right way. So how did I advertise this product? I didn't use TikTok organic. I didn't use TikTok ads. None of that bullshit that you see in other YouTube videos. No, I used the old school, plain and simple Facebook ads. As far as my ad strategy goes, you can watch this video right here. I explained it completely from A to Z. But to basically sum it up, I just create a $100 CBO campaign, no targeting, and I scale it until it dies. No crazy lookalike audiences, nothing special, nothing complex, just no targeting, $100 CBO, scale, 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 scale. And if the product dies, we find new creatives. We didn't order the product and send it out to UGC creators. We didn't film it ourselves. The only thing we did is we went to Minia, We downloaded the ad of our competitor, we translated it into the market that we're selling to. In this case, that was the Netherlands, so we translated it to Dutch. And that's literally the creative we used to scale this product. Again, nothing complex. My entire strategy is super simple, but people are just not aware of it yet. I find the product on Minia, I create a nice funnel with it using my own funnel template. I download and translate the ads. I throw them on Facebook in a simple CBO campaign with no targeting on a $100 daily budget, and I scale the shit out of it. That is literally my entire dropshipping strategy. Now, of course, there are a lot more moving parts you need to know about. And for an overview of my entire strategy, I have a full course, and the course is $3,000. No, I'm just kidding. It's completely free. It's literally linked below, completely for free. All you need to do is sign up and you have lifetime access to this free course. I explain everything. I even talk about legal setup, VAT, how I edit the ads, how I build my funnels, and even how to build a team and automate your entire business. So don't sleep on this course, or you are actually a lazy fuck. Now, the YouTube space is filled with fake information, people showing you fake results, people showing you outdated strategies. And that is exactly why I wanted to make this quick little case study and show you exactly what my strategy looks like and how you can make money today with dropshipping. None of that TikTok organic BS or outdated Shopify BS. This is the only way to make actual good money consistently with dropshipping in 2024. And I just wanted to tell you guys about it.